Yes, please, family. Yes, yes. Right in. Camera girl, get all in. And I say simmering, 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 simmering. The authentic Jamaican curry mutton. I say simmering, simmering, simmering. This is here your mutton. This is here your Jamaican authentic old time, long time mutton. Curry mutton. Yes, this is your gravy. This here, it is your gravy. So our mutton is ready. Okay, y'all? And I want to show you that the potatoes have been cooked and not mashed. Okay, y'all? Yep, that's how we wanted it. Now, I'm going to serve up some for you all. Okay, I have right here a little serving of white rice. And we're going to take up some of this mutton, yeah? With some, because you know the mutton comes with a little bony, yeah? And we're going to put the mutton in the plate, because I'm treating you all to some of this here, your curried mutton. Look at it. And right here, I have for you some boiled green bananas. Yup. And I'm going to take the pleasure of serving you two. We say fingers, or some people say seeds, but these are, I don't know. And this here is your authentic Jamaican curried mutton. Me no know all time, long time mutton. I serve with rice and peas and them something. This is what I know curry mutton has been served with originally, authentically. Okay, y'all? Or the roti. Okay, y'all? So, from my kitchen to yours, from my kitchen to your palate, to your stomach, it's the authentic Jamaican curried mutton. You saw me from scratch, from start to finish. Yes, here. Yes. This is a long anticipated, highly requested video. And I'm so humbled and I'm so honored to present it to you all. And hello, please. Hello. When we go to wedding in Jamaica, you see, this is what we get our little curry mutton serving. You see, because a lot of us, we don't get none until we can go to the wedding or we got dead yard. We call it dead yard. And you all are long time Jamaicans. You know when we say dead yard, you know what I mean. Okay? Yeah. When you go there, this is what you get your curry mutton in. And I'm going to show you when you know, say, your curry ready. I'm going to show you. I want you to look at the plate. This is when you know your curry ready. When your curry stay in the plate like this. Yes, please. And this here is the curry mutton. And this is my rice. Yes. And this is my Irish potato here. Yes. And I'm going to mix, yeah, my mutton in my curry gravy. Yes, please. And I know it is hot, but I'm going to try to do my best. Because I've got to heat for you. Because you are not here to heat it, so I've got to heat for you all. Aha. Open. Mutton sauce. That's got to be soft. Curry turn up. Flavor shot. Spice ready. Authentic Jamaican. So you know your curry is ready. If you have liked this curry mutton video, please to give it a thumbs up. Continue to share. Subscribe. Leave your comments below. Okay, you all? And keep your notifications on. Keep your notifications on. I love you. I love you. I love you all so much. Debbie from down a yard. Boop.